here today to show you the build specification sash window from Windows Delivered. So let's have a look at the window. It comes with a smooth white finish. We get the plant-on sash horns as standard, that's included in the cost, a nice traditional feature. A 150 flush sill with the upstand is included as well. Inside the build sash window we have internally glazed double glazed units which are A rated as standard. For security we feature a locking fitch fastener. This particular one is in chrome and it's also available in gold and white being the standard colour. Both sashes will move up and down for ventilation, but also they can be tilted inwards for easy cleaning. They also come on restrictors, so you can leave them there like that while you give them a click. Make sure they're clicked back up fully and they go back up. And we can then close the window. This window also features as an optional extra child anti-lift locks. These ones are in white. They're easily disabled, so you can open the window and then once you open and close the window they'll pop back out automatically for your family's safety. I hope you've enjoyed looking at our traditional build sash windows from windowsdelivered.co.uk. Please visit our website and have a look for more information and any tips and hints that you might need for surveying or installation of our windows. Thank you very much. Take care.